If you have candida overgrowth or yeast overgrowth, you can use this herb right here. Let's have a close-up. The name of it is called Cuban oregano or broadleaf thyme or Chinese thyme. You can brew a tea using the Cuban oregano and drink to help you even with infections. Do you know this plant? It has a strong aroma when crushed. Let's have a close-up of it. This herb is a natural antibiotic. Very, very effective for infections. Very, very effective for viruses with its antiviral properties. And also it helps to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. You can make a tea with it. You can even make oil with it, people. This one is called Cuban oregano or broadleaf thyme. In order not to miss another post, follow me right now.
I showed you this oregano plant. Mkaniambia hamwezi kula tissue. At you only know it as tissue. This here, nasikatai, and it also has its benefits. Kwanza kwa mwenye anatoka damu, akienda choo, akienda long haul, unapata uko na damu, unasikia uchungu. Tumia hii tu. Hii hautatumia kama tissue, utabonda bonda. These ones kama hizi uzioshe tu vizuri, zinakuwa na maji yake ndani. Unabonda bonda hiyo matawi, ukipata hiyo green, unatumia kwa kupaka. Hivyo hata kama uko na hiyo pain, umeenda choo umesikia uchungu ama umetoka damu, this one oregano maigoya.
Most people have never heard of Moringa, but the moment it enters your body, something unlike anything else begins. Moringa carries 92 different nutrients simultaneously: vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids, all absorbing together at once. Your small intestine lights up with the most intense absorption event it has ever experienced. Watch what happens next. Every organ receives exactly what it was missing. Your liver regenerates, your bones strengthen, your brain sharpens, your blood purifies, your cells rebuild at every level simultaneously. 1 spoon of Moringa, every system in your body upgraded at the same time.